Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a chair in Blender 3.6 3D modeling software. Now you can see by default it already given a camera, a cube and also a light. I'm going to press A to delete everything. Press A, I selected everything already, press A. Then press delete button to delete everything. Next, just click add a mesh, add a plane. Then go to the edit modes. Then press A and press S to make it small. For all of these grids, each of the lengths is 1 meter. So if you want to create a chair, you make sure you create it in a proper size. So I press S to make it small again. For each of the chair, the size is something like this. It's not until 1 meter. It is about half meter. So this is 1 meter. So something like this. Alright. Next, click here so that you can choose the surface. Click and press E to extrude. Now it already have the thickness. Then if you press G, you can move it. You press G so that it extrude up. Then here I press A to select everything and press G to move it. I press G to just lift it up. Next, at here, this part I right click subdivide a few times. If Ctrl Z is to undo, I right click subdivide. I can adjust number of cuts here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, just something like this. Next, you can just extrude out the foot of the chair. Just click 1, hold the shift, click, press E to extrude out. Like this. Now, this chair already have the foot. You press G, you still can move it. Press G is to make sure it is on the Z axis. If you press S, then you can just make it open. Then at here, right click and subdivide it a few times. Right, Ctrl Z. Then you can extrude out some of the features. For example, if I select this, I hold the shift to select everything, or I just hold the control, it is going to select the whole row. I press E to extrude. Then you can see it already extrude out. Then if I press G, then I can move up. If I press G, it's up. I press G again, then I press X, it is going to just move along the X axis. Now finally it really become a chair. It is up to you. You can make any of the angles you want. Something like this. It's cool. Now this is a new 3D models. You can create any of the 3D model by using the Blender. Once you're done already, you can just go to the object mode again. Now this is a chair. If you press S, you can make it small. It becomes a smaller chair. It's quite easy. Right. If you want to add a color, just can click it. Then click here, add a material. The base color. Here you have to turn on the material first. The base color, you can choose any color that you want. It can be any color of the chair. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a chair by using the Blender 3.6 3D modeling software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you.